Hey guys, J.R. Fisher here. It is Friday. Nice sunny morning here in San Diego. Overlooking the lake here. I don't know if you can see that. See that lake over my shoulder there, kind of down behind there. Anyhow, I wanted to talk to you about Facebook. Hope we can get the sunlight here. I want to talk to you about Facebook retargeting ads because most people do retargeting ads wrong. Okay, so I want to go through a few steps that will really help you out when you're doing your Facebook retargeting ads. And you may not even realize it. But let's look at first one group that you would be retargeting. Abandoned carts. Oh my God, that's like, 85-90% of the people that arrive at your cart abandon the cart. They leave. They don't buy anything, And you say, well, what's the reason for that? Is it my cart? Is it? I don't know. I couldn't tell you. I couldn't tell you. But I will tell you this, in more cases than not, if they got that far, they're interested in your product, okay? It's a whole lot better than them just viewing your page or, visiting your website. So when you go to retarget, it's much better to retarget those people who abandon the cart. Now, let's talk about what you do. Now, what most people do when they try to retarget people who abandon the cart is they offer them a huge discount. They go, well, I'll sell it to them cheaper. And all you're going to do by doing that is attract people who basically want something for nothing, okay? Matter of fact, there are a group of people who will actually get to a cart just to see if an ad retargets them so they can get a better deal, or see if they get an email, they'll opt in, that type of thing. But that's not what you want to do. The very first thing you want to do on retargeting ads, number one, okay, this is your first offer, is going to be to remind them. Simple. That's it. Put an ad in front of them and say, hey, did you forget? You were at my site. You were looking at this product. Did you forget? Come on back. Because a lot of time, you're not the only person involved in these people's lives, right? People have really busy lives. There's a lot of stuff going on, and, your little product or your service is not going to be on the top of their list. So the very first thing you want to do is run an ad to them where you remind them, hey, did you remember this? You were at my site, you were looking at this product, you were looking at this service. Come on back here, click here now to complete your sale, okay? So that's the very first one you want to do. Now, if that doesn't work for you, you want to retarget again. And you want to retarget again this time with what? You want to add value, okay? So maybe you had a $20 product and it was something to do with pets or something along those lines. And now what you may want to do is say, if you buy this product now, I'm going to throw in my 29 steps to potty training your dog, or 9 steps. 29 would be way too many, wouldn't it? 9 steps to potty train. You don't ever want to go over 10 steps. People don't want to go over 10 steps. But what you would want to do is say, hey, I'll throw in my report that has a value of, let's say, $29, and I'll give it to you free if you go back and make your purchase on this product you were looking at. So what you've done here is essentially you've discounted your product, but you really haven't. They're still paying full price and they just see it as more value. So your second retargeting is going to be for them to get more value from purchasing that product as opposed to just discounting the product. Okay, so the first one you've done is you reminded them. The second one, what you've done is you've added more value by offering them a free whatever to go along with that purchase. And now we're going to be down to the third one. And what's the third one? Well, it's the biggest thing going right now. And it's something that Amazon has trained everybody on. And what is that thing? That one thing? Free shipping, okay? So your first one's going to remind them. Your second ad is going to give them, some more value. We're going to give them another product to go along with what they were buying. And the third thing is I'm going to give you free shipping, okay? And yeah, Amazon's trained a lot of people right around the world about getting this free shipping thing. So why not throw that in there? Free shipping. So that's 3 of them. That's 3 different retargetings we've done, and we haven't changed our price one bit. But you know what? It's finally come to that point. Number 4 is offer them a discount, okay? Offer them a discount, but make sure it has some urgency in there, okay? And the urgency could be, I've only got 9 of these left, so I'm going to take, 20% off. Or, this is going to end in 72 hours. For the next 72 hours, you can grab this deal. After that, it's going to go back to the regular price. So that's another thing you could do. So keep in mind when you're doing retargeting, don't just lead with a discount, because there are those people out there who are just trying to see what kind of discount you'll get. They're wise to ads, they're wise to retargeting. So it's number one, remind, right? And then number two, we want to add value, right? Make your product actually more valuable when you do it that way. Number three is free shipping. And number four is finally offer them a discount. So those are the steps you should do when you're doing retargeting. And if you do those things, you're going to sell more products, you're going to make more money. And, retargeting people who have already been to your site, been to your checkout page is much more profitable than trying to run your ads to cold audiences, okay? So try those things. I know it'll work out for you. It works out for a lot of people, works out for us, and it can make you some money.